teach you how to cook udon. Easy way. Let's go! Yay!
The ingredients are just simple. Tada! 1 mega and 1 sibuyas, some bawang, and also the udons, especially the udon. The first step is we are gonna peel the bawang and sibuyas, and the second step, we are gonna cut them into smaller pieces. The first dish that my mother taught me was udon soup, which is my favorite right now. It is very delicious when it is paired with rice. The onion kinda hurt. When I was younger, I loved watching my mom cook udon, especially how tricky the process is and how delicious it will turn out in the end. When the ingredients are all ready, it is time for the third step. Let's go! The third step is papainitin yung karaha. After that, we'll wait just a little bit. And if ready na, ilalagay na natin yung mantika. Then, sunod yung sibuyas at saka yung bawang. Mekos-mekos, then add the sardine. Mekos-mekos ulit. Here, tatansyahin nyo lang kung gano'ng kadami yung ilalagay na tubig. And also, lagyan nyo ng magic sarap para sumarap yung udong natin. Udong soup. Okay, so, ang udong ay matagal maluto, kaya we need to add plenty of water para maluto ito. Kaya tansyahin nyo na lang. After, you must taste it, of course. If it already tastes good, then we're good. It's ready to be served. And that is how easy it is to cook udon.
That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. The easy way of cooking udon. Please like, share,